Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing on with our series on the paper pumpkin kit for January 2026 from Stampin' Up. This is alternate number 2, and I took one of the card fronts and I ran it through the Sunflower 3D embossing folder. I've got a pretty and pink card base, and this is going to go right down on here. I've got the rose stems, and then I took the flowers and I used the blending brush and just colored them with pretty and pink so that they would stand out from the background. And I made a mistake on here. I had the stamp upside down, so I've turned it over, and I've used strawberry slush to print the You Brighten My Day because the pretty and pink wasn't light or wasn't dark enough. I tried it down here. And then because this is the other side and it's white, I just use the blending brush to go around the edge, just to add a little bit of the pretty and pink, just to kind of set everything off. So I'm going to just add some adhesive all the way around the edge of this, like this. And then we're going to line it up. It is almost exact. You just get that little bit of the scallop showing through. This is going to be flat mounted down. I'm just going to add some adhesive to the bits and pieces. And I've already done a couple of cards for later in the week, so I am running really low actually on details from the kit. I've still got most of the stamps, which I'm thrilled about. I can't wait to use those stamps. I just haven't quite figured out how yet. So there we go. And now you can see with these, with the pretty and pink blended on them, show up really, really well. I'm just going to use the dimensionals from the kit, and I'm going to put them on the flowers because we're dimensionalizing the flowers. And there we go. And we'll put one more on that one because it's a larger one. And that can just go in the bin. Okay, so I'm putting the largest flower down right in the juncture between all of the stems there. So this one's going to go here like this. And I love this. This is almost like the wild roses, which is Alberta's flower. But these really remind me of the wild roses. So we're going to pop this one up here like this. And then this one is going to go over here like this. And I popped this down a little bit low. So this one is going to go here like this. It's actually going to cover up that one rose hip. So now I need to decide if I'm popping this down at the bottom like this, or if I'm going to put it at the top. Because I've got this quite low down, it should be shifted up just a little bit. But I think I might still keep this at the bottom, and maybe I'll just put a little bit of bling at the top. I'm just trying to decide. I can hear you shouting, or imagine you shouting. I put it at the top, put it at the top. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it at the top. I think it just balances the card a little bit better. Again, because I make these on the fly, on the video, because I only get one kit, and I don't have the refills for it, then I do have to I can't make 2 cards of the same to show or to figure out how it's going to work beforehand. I just wing it. And this one does not want to peel off. There we go. So we're just going to pop this down at the top here. You Brighten My Day. And I'm just going to hold it up to make sure I'm straight, and I am. And let's grab some of that, some of these strawberry slush and pretty and pink bling, and let's add some of this. I think I'm going to use the strawberry slush because I'm going to echo the greeting. So I'm just going to pop one down here like this, and then maybe one up here like this. And I think I'll pop one down in here like this. So that just adds a little bit of fun to the card. So that is our second alternate card using elements from the January 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Special Delivery. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another alternate card tomorrow.